Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways to make pocket pages, mini album pocket pages. So we're going to start with a top pocket. So what you're going to do, you can work with any size of paper that you want. I'm working with 6 by 6 inches paper. You can do it with 8 by 8 or 12 by 12. So you're going to fold one paper in half and then apply glue only to two sides like this, and then I'm working with double-sided tape. You can do it with liquid glue, but it's easier with this type of glue. You can make a nice edge with a border punch like I'm doing, but this is completely optional. It's just so the pocket will look nice. And then you attach the paper on both sides of your page. So you basically have a top pocket on each side of your page. This is how it looks when it's finished. Next, we're going to do a corner pocket. So a corner pocket is a pocket that is glued on the bottom and right or left sides only. So I'm just going to cut out some paper. You can do it with a triangle. You don't have to fussy cut something like this. And you apply your glue on the bottom, like I said, on the two straight edges basically. So if you have a triangle or another shape, so you apply the glue on the two straight sides, on the corner basically, and then you attach it to your page like this, and then you have a corner pocket. Next, we're going to make a side pocket. So a side pocket, you simply fold the page in half, and then you can add embellishments to it on the outside or on the inside. I'm going to add another piece of paper and create another little side pocket on top of the large side pocket. So I'm just going to cut out my paper. I'm using scraps here, and then I'm going to apply glue only on 3 sides. So when you make a pocket or a side pocket, you basically add glue to the bottom and the top and the side like this. Only on 3 sides. The right or left side remains open. Depends, of course, on the direction of your side pocket. So I'm just adding some lace for embellishment. You can do paper, you can completely skip this part and then apply glue to the top and the bottom, so the side opening will be free to insert things, so you'll have a pocket. So basically you have one pocket here and then another pocket on top of that, so 2 small side pocket and another large pocket on top of that. Then you simply attach it to whatever page you're making in your mini album. So you'll have a side pocket, a double side pocket even, like this. So I'm just making borders to embellish the page, and then finish my side pocket mini album page, making sure that it's not too big, because all the pages in the mini album need to be the same size, obviously. So all these papers are just embellishments that I'm adding behind that pocket that I made. Then I'm going to show you how it looks in the end. So one pocket and then another one. Next, a folded pocket. This is a really cool technique. and very easy. You simply take a page, roll it a little bit to make it flexible, because you don't want to actually fold it, you want to roll it. So it's not exactly a folded pocket, it's more of a rolled pocket. And what I'm going to do is glue the corner and then add a little pin. And then, like a corner pocket, I'm only applying glue to the sides and then attaching it to my page. So I'll have a rolled pocket. And finally, our two-part pocket. This is basically a pocket that you create from two pieces of paper that you combine together. I'm going to do it with a sort of a stitch. It's not exactly a stitch, it's like shoelaces, but you can do it with another method like sewing or a zipper or just glue. So what I did is basically tear two pieces of paper. I'm going to make two layers, so I'm doing the exact same thing with another piece. And then I've made little holes on the sides of the tear, and then I'm going to thread a twine or a string inside the holes like shoelaces, and then tie them together. So that's a really cool way to make a pocket. After you stitch or attach the two pieces together, you need to attach your complete pocket to the page, and of course you need to only apply glue to three sides of the pocket, leaving the top completely open, so you'll get that pocket that you want to insert things. So I'm going to tie this. Then I'm going to attach it to its second layer like this, and then this whole thing is going to be the pocket. I'm going to apply glue only to the sides and the bottom. And then you have your two-part pocket. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.